We have written the list of classes here. Create another file, grid system1.html or maybe grid system.html. Grid system.html in Bootstrap folder. Bootstrap.css file we need to call. File should be in the same folder, Bootstrap folder. Next, write the division class as a container. Next, inside the container, there will be class as row. Inside the container, you have to put the class called row. Container will always give the row, and inside the row, we'll have next class called column. Call -lg-1, you try. Write something. Hello, and hello, and hello, and hello, 4 times. Call lg1, call lg1, call lg1. We'll repeat total 4 times. Okay, check now. In one line, how many hello is coming? 4 will come. In one line, in one row, we can make 12 columns. There, 1, 1, 1, you are given 4 times. We can keep maximum 12 columns. So we are just starting with the 1. So 1, 1, 1. How many times we can write? 12 times. We can check first this 1, 1, 1, 4 times. is in the same line. Okay, we should not run half a screen, because if half a screen will not match the LG, full screen we have to run, then only it will match the LG. LG have some certain width, no, screen width. If you run in half a screen, it will not match the width. It will go to the new line. Will not get idea. So we should run in the full screen. Next, after this, next hello, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just keep it 12 times. Hello, 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 college one, college one, college one, 12 times. Okay, so for everyone, 12 columns is in the same line, 12 columns. Next row will be after a BR. But instead of writing the BR, we have a class called MT and MB. MT, M for margin, T for top, M for margin, B for bottom, M for margin, L for left, M for margin, R for right. So we have margin classes. There, using that we can give a space. Okay, so we'll make a note of that. You can write here MB5, MB5, margin bottom 48 pixel. Okay, 1 means 8 pixel, no, 1 means 4 pixel, 2 means 16 pixel, 3 means 24 pixel, no, something went wrong. 4 pixel, 8 pixel, 16 pixel, 24 pixel and 48 pixel. 1, when we write MB1, then 4 pixel gap, MB2, 8 pixel gap, MB3, 16 pixel gap, MB4, 24 pixel gap, MB5, 48 pixel gap. Okay, you don't have to write the BR and HR and here and there. All the classes are adjust. Okay, using that we can adjust the space in the left side, as well as we can manage the space in the right side, top, bottom, margin related, padding related also we have. PT, padding top, PB, padding bottom, PL, padding left, PR, padding right. And 1 to 5. 1 means 4 pixel, 2 meaning 8 pixel, 3 16, 4 24, and 5 48. Okay, we'll write a list in developer, right? Check this one now. MB. Okay, so this row end here, this row end here, row end. Comment is required. Write comment, it will be proper guideline. Next, after this, you will write here a division class equal to next row only. In this also you write MB5, margin bottom 48 pixel gap will get applied. In the second row, we want to create total 6 columns. We want to create total 6 columns, but total how many columns we have in one row? 12. 1 to 12. 1, 1, 1, 12 times. Okay. Total number of columns are 12. but our requirement says make only 6 block. So what we have to do? Total 12 divided by 6. So you will get 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, how many times? 6 times. We have a class name called call-lg2. Okay, so you will write now, you will create total 6 blocks in one line where you will follow number 2. Number 2, what it will represent? 16, 8 into 2, 16.66% will be the width of each block. Division class equal to call hyphen lg hyphen 2. 2. Hello 2 we can write. Total 12 items we are going to distribute in 6 people. Okay. Total 12 columns we have. So total 12 column we are going to distribute in the how many people? 6 people, right? 6 people. So if you are distributing the 6 people 12 mango, right? 2 2 will come for individual. So we are going to write now call LG 6, sorry, not call LG 6, call LG 2, call LG 2, call LG 2. You will write here call LG 2, call LG 2, call LG 2, call LG 2, 4, 5, 6 times. Okay. You will see exact 6 block will fit in one line. Okay. Seventh one you can try, it will lead to the new line. You can add the seventh one, you will find it will go to the new line automatically. Okay, that represent in one row we cannot write how many columns? More than 12, maximum 12. Okay, maximum 12. College 222 we added is appear like this. This is the output, something like this. Check once and let me know. You will find total 6 blocks should appear. 3 people says something working. Not 3 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's go ahead next. You should write a comment again here. Call row end. Row end. Next, after this, next row will create. Next row will be MB5 again. And under this row, if you want to create total 4 blocks, which class combination is required? 4 blocks you want to create. So total how many? 12. Divided by number of blocks. How many? 4. If you are dividing by 4, you will get 3, 3, 3, 3, right? So it will make total. Okay, so let's go right here. Division. Call LG 3. Something to write little long text. You can see this look like this. Total 4 blocks. Content, if you want, you can increase. There is no problem. We can increase the content. If you are increasing the content within the block, line break will happen. Next row, we'll create total 3 blocks. Division plus row call LG 4. Okay, so hope 3 blocks are ready. Something like this. So while creating the row, will not use more than 12 always. So 1, 2, 3, 4 you saw. If you want to create 5, then what will happen? Now suppose after 4 what will come? 5 will come. So 1 column 5, 1 column 5. Remaining how much? 2. 2 will be 1 column. Okay, so it will become non-equal column. Or still now what you created, these all are equal column. Okay, next suppose if you want to create 6, then what will happen? 6 and 6, 2 will come. If you want to create 7, then 7 plus 5, 2 will come again, non-equal column. If you want to create 8, then what will happen? 1 will be 8, 1 will be 4, 8, 4 combination. Okay, so any combination we can use should not exceed by 12. If exceeding by 12, it will print in the new line. Okay. Now create another row. There we can use directly 12. Row end. Division plus row okay, right, a division plus equal to call hyphen lg hyphen 12 and then keep some text inside. It will cover full width. It will cover full width. Save now. Check once. This will cover full width. Oh, space was not in the previous one. MB. It's coming together, no, one after other. No space. No problem. In the last one also you can write empty. MT5. MB5 written somewhere. Somewhere you can write empty also. If bottom space is there, we can give top. This division, the division number this, where you are written 444. I have not written the MB inside. MB class I have not used. So what happened? First row data and second row data is coming just very close by. No space. Then in the last row I wrote called MT5. That is called margin top 48px. Save it. Check once. Space will come. Space will come something like this. Right? Created row. Create one more row. In that you make two column only. Create one more row. In that display the data in two column. This row is end. We can write here MB also. MB5. Top bottom. Both sides space will come. Now write MB5 we have written. After this create another row. That row will display the data in only two columns. Create the row where you display the data only in two columns. Display the data in two columns. Working. We created a row with the two columns. College is 66. Okay, now we'll leave this file. We'll create another file. There we'll see one example of combination. Combination of all the classes. In extra small how it should look. In small how it should look. In medium how it should look. It's in the large, extra large. In all the devices, how the page will look. Okay. One example will be the combination of all. And after that, we will work based on LG. We will go through some classes. After attending 4 classes, we'll get some idea on Bootstrap. Then again, we'll mix all the classes. Okay. All the classes in the sense what that represent? That represent all the devices. Okay. Because 72 classes here. If we mix all together, it will become overload. Okay. But one example should be there where you understand, okay, how 72 classes to use. Okay, grid system 2. Create next file, grid system2.html. Grid system2.html. Grid system2.html. Next, inside this file, write a class called row. And we should write comment row end. In container empty 5 you can write, so that from top there will be sufficient space. Now let's write a division. Class equal to call hyphen Excel hyphen 2. So in extra large, 2 will come, that represent 6 columns. In extra large, we have written 2. So 2, how many times? 6 times. So if we will open in our laptop, it's extra large device. So here 6 column it will create in one line. Next, after that, if suppose someone will open in large, then in large, how many column you want to create? Call hyphen LG hyphen, let's keep call 3. So in extra large, 6 columns, and in large, 4 column. 4 column, right? Call hyphen MD. MD. Okay. So call MD. How many? 4. So in medium device, 3 columns. Right? 3 column, no? 4, 3 times. 3, 4 times. 2, 6 times. Next, after that, which device? SM. 6. 2 block, half. call hyphen 12 full width. Now in our laptop, once we run it by default, it will display 6 column. You can add this also. Call hyphen double XL hyphen 2 only, because 12 column will be congested. If you are making 12 column, it will be congested, will not have sufficient space. So it says call double XL2, call XL2, like for extra large and large. Double extra large and extra large. Total how many? 6 columns. Because 2, 2, 2, 2, 6 times. 2 into 6, 12 will come. Then for large, you are saying is 3. So 3, 3, 3, 3, 4 times. 12 columns, 4 columns. 3, 3, 3. If you write 4 times, 12 will happen. So it will come as a 4 column. Call MD4. In medium device, 3 columns. 4, 4, 4, 3 times. In SM, 6. In the sense only 2 columns. And then 12 will become as a full width. Full width, correct? Okay. And along with that, see now if you are changing the devices, the number of column will increase and decrease. Okay. So in that case, top to bottom little space is required. Top to bottom. Like suppose one place you say 12. 12. So how many column it will create? Only one. And when you say just 6, so how many it will create? 2. So when you go to the mobile phone, one column will come. So first column will convert into row. So first row and second row require some space, top to bottom. So for that purpose, we'll write here MB3 or maybe MB4. One more class MB4. That is called margin bottom 24 pixel. Okay. So top to bottom, there will be a space of 24 pixel. Add all the classes. Add all the classes. Okay, done one division. In this division, let's add some text. Okay, instead of adding bulk text, we can add limited text. Okay, anything little limited. This much is okay. Now, if you take the target of call double XL and XL, we have to write this division 6 times. 6 times. Inside a row to complete entire columns, to complete entire rows with the data, 2, 2, 2, 2, how many times? 6 times. That only we are going to do. So we'll copy this and paste again. Copy this and paste again. It has to repeat total 6 times. Because call XL2, call XL2. 4 happen. Next 2, 6 happen. Next 2, 8 happen. Next 2, 10 happen. And next 2, 12 is happen. Total 12 got occupied. Okay, added how many times? 6 times. 6 into 2, 12 happen. But 6 times we have added after looking into the mind this device. Which device? Double extra large as well as extra large. If you look LG point of view, then LG will make how many columns? 4 column. But we have kept how many? 6 times. So 4 will come in one line and 2 will go to the new line. When you look MD point of view, MD, total how many division we have pasted? 6 times. Now when we look MD point of view, then what will happen? 4, 4, 4. 3 in one line, 3 division will come in one line and 3 division will go to where? New line. When you look now SM point of view, then what will happen? 6 and 6 in one line, next 6, 6, another line, next 6, 6, another line. So how many rows? 3 rows. It will generate total 3 rows. But when you look mobile point of view, call 12. How many rows? 6. First, second, third. Okay. That is the formula. Now save it. Run the page once. By default, 6 are coming. And then slowly we can resize the window and we'll have a look. You can see how I'm doing. So I'll go here. Okay, now slowly I'll increase the size. So let's come from the beginning only. 6 are there. 6 columns. Now, so this is which device? Double extra large as well as large. In both 6 only will come. Okay, because 2 we are given. Now once I'll go to the LG range, you can see what will happen. This happen in LG. 4 in one line, and since 6 was there, so 2 will shift to the new line. Okay. Now next, when we go to the little smaller, MD 444 and 444. When we look into the little smaller, SM, this become a SM. How many? 6 and 6. Next 6, 6, next 6, 6. When we look into the mobile phone, when you rotate your mobile, will look like this. Okay. And when you use your mobile in normal, then it look like this. Now it is capturing all the devices. None of the user will feel uncomfortable while looking into the content. For every device, content will be rearranged automatically, right? So, and at any moment you can see, let me come down. At any moment, whether a small device or large device, any device, number one, your content is getting rearranged. And number two, at any point while resizing, you will not see any scroller appear in the last. Horizontal scroller is coming? No. Content is fitting proper as well as HR is not getting applied here. Horizontal line is not getting applied. Okay. So your page is called full responsive. This page becomes a full responsive. But while learning, now we are not completely new beginners. And when we want to use this all the classes together, right? Target is something else, achievement will happen something else. Within 2-3 example, will feel like is a class name is so much, right? So we will not use all classes. We will use only this class. Which class? LG. Okay. 70-80% syllabus. To understand the remaining all the topic, you will use LG. Based on LG, we will understand all. And when we design the template, Okay, combination of all the feature, then we'll use all the classes. Okay, then will be helpful. So it's work for everyone. That is the feature of Bootstrap. Classes are existing classes you are calling, and you are making your page responsive so that whoever will open the page, they will not face the problem. Okay. Before 2011, the condition was very difficult. Develop first website for the laptop, desktop, and once that release happen, upload in the server. Now we start working for the mobile. Develop another website for mobile. Okay. And both will go to the server. When the user will open the website in mobile, then the server need to identify what is this device. If the device is mobile, then redirect to m.abcd.com. Okay, if the device is laptop, then go to the abcd.com. Two website in the same server. So development cost was double. Okay. In 2007, 8, 6, everyone was not using these phones. Which phone? This multimedia phone, everyone was not using, right? For internet, for resume, go to the cyber cafe. Rare people will have mobile with all feature. There also internet was limited. Okay, when we want to open the internet, mobile is there, internet is there, but go to the cyber cafe because it will cost huge, right? So that was the changes in the world completely. In India, I'm talking. I don't know other country, but in India, that was the time to change. Okay. Difficult. It was difficult time when write the code for 1 hour and fix the device related problem full day. Someone will say Mozilla is coming. Someone will say Chrome it's not coming. Tester will say I tester 7 version they'll download. Okay, and they'll start testing in all version. Okay, when the developer will see one tester is coming, he will lock the door. Okay, and say like I'm busy now, come later. Now also similar condition. Tester developer will not have very good relation. There will be some always difficulties. He will say it's working. He will say how you tested it's not working. He will say come I'll show you how it's working. Okay, it's working, everything is okay today. Tomorrow, same tester will come saying, hey, yesterday you fixed, no, it is not working. I'm busy, go, come after some time. Something, okay. So that we will test in different way, they will test in different way. Hmm? We will test with the mobile number, they will test with the ABCD. Okay, that is their nature. Company has for that purpose only. Come. Okay, so hope working for all. Let's go for next feature. So shall we use this all class now? If you use this all the class, confusion will happen. Okay. So best way is to use any either Excel or LG. Based on Excel and LG, understand the feature of Bootstrap, remaining feature, and then once we come to design the template using the Bootstrap, that time we'll start using all the classes. We'll go to developer guide, and in developer guide, we'll write here next margin and padding related classes. Margin and padding related classes. Okay, write the classes for margin and padding. Classes for margin and padding. You can write call when we write one, when we write number 1, it will represent 4 pixel. When you write number 2, it will represent 8 pixel. When you write 3, it applies 16 pixel. When you write 4, it apply 24 px. When you apply 5, it apply as 48 px. 48 px. 4, 8, 16, 24 and 48. Next, related to P for padding. When we write P somewhere, it will represent the padding. When we write somewhere M, it will represent the margin. Margin. When you write call T, it will represent call top. When you write call B, it point to the bottom. Okay. L will point to the left. R will represent the right. Padding, margin, top, bottom, left, R. Left and right. Now you will create the combination of all. Okay. M-1 will give you margin. M-1 will give margin. How much? 4px. All side. M2, M3, M4, M5. M2 will give 8 pixel. M3 will give 16. M4 will give something. M5 will give something. Okay. 8px, 16px, next 24px, and next 48px. This is margin related. Now ML and MR, some changes are there in the Bootstrap. MT and MB work properly. So we can write here M-MT 1, 2, 5. MB 1, 2, 5. Okay. So what are the you can generate? MT 1, MT 2, MT 3, MT 4, MT 5, and MT till 5. Next after that MB1, MB2, MB3. So shall I write it? MT1, MT2, MT3, MT4, MT5. Okay. MB1, MB2, MB3, MB4, MB5. Okay. Now similar we have padding related. So we can copy this section and paste here. Okay, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. P1, P2, P3. Oh, this should be P, should be P, should be P, and should be P, should be P, and should be P. Okay, just you can write for your reference. Will be helpful to remember. ML and MR I'm not writing because some changes are there in the what version we are using. I'll see that some class names are changed instead of ML and MT. ML and MR. MT MB remain same. ML margin left, margin right, padding left, padding right. Okay, some places differences are there. Some new classes are applied. Some new classes they have added. The version we downloaded, no, it was showing some beta version. You can write it. Okay, written. So we'll not write BR anywhere now. Using these classes will manage. Let's go for the next. Next, what we can write is, next we can write example for image tag. Classes for image tag. Classes for image. We have one class called, img float. img float. One more class we have img thumbnail. Thumbnail. Using these two classes, we can make image responsive. You don't have to write height and width. img float will control the width of the photo. Thumbnail. img thumbnail. Okay. Save it and we'll create a file next, image.html, to implement these two class. Image.html file. Till container you can use the same from previous file. Till container we can use the same from previous file. container we can close, body also we can close, as well as HTML we can close. Now coming inside division, class row we can follow, and inside this row we can write MB5, margin bottom 48 pixel space will get applied. We'll write here called row end. Row end. Now inside this row, create the division class, call LG3 you can write first, and under this class img tag we can follow, src we can give since image we have in current folder, and then you can apply the class call img fluid. Okay, add this class under the call LG3, display the image src1.jpg class img load, and check once image will fit properly under the call LG3. Image will fit properly under the call LG3. Image is fitting. Sequence. Image should fit within the 3. Should fit within the 3. We can change 3 to 5. Then we'll see photo will be resized automatically. 3 to 5 you can check. Photo will be resized automatically. Fitting within the 5. Something like this. Photo got resized. So the img fluid class we are calling. Inside that the CSS will be written width 100%. You can see image you are calling under the call LG5. What is the width of call LG5? 8.33 into 5. Correct. So the width of call LG5 will be considered the 100% width for this current image, current img tag. So this image fluid class will take the full width of this. Which one? img call LG5. If I write as a 1, then img fluid remains same, but the width will get reduced because okay. So while displaying the image, you don't have to think about the height and width of the image. Just call this class img float. This class will control the width of image. Okay. If you are displaying two images and both image width is whatever, no matter, Bootstrap will control. But if the height is different, then height will be mismatched. Okay, one image height will be less, another image height will be more. Okay, so it will look non-equal in the term of height. But when you look into the width, Bootstrap will control the width. Okay. And another thing, if your image is 100 pixel, 200 pixel, or maybe 300 pixel, and you are displaying in Call LG 12, what it will do? If a small is photo is very small and you are displaying under the Call LG 12, it will not cover the full width. Image will not be enlarged. Image will be covered that much only. What is the area? But if your image is big size, the Bootstrap is responsible to control that. But if image is small, Bootstrap will not enlarge the image. Okay. So Bootstrap will not increase the width of image. Whereas if the photo is bigger, Bootstrap is responsible to control that. Okay. Come next. So copy this call LG3 and paste below again. Okay. Paste again. It will go total 4 times and paste again. Total 4 times we can do it. So it will appear in the same line. Total 4 photos. Four photos are appear. 4 photo appear, right? We'll create one more row. There we can try to display 6 photo using the same class, and we'll see it's happening or not. Create next row. Class equal to row. There you can follow again. Call LG2, call LG2, call LG2. How many times? 6 times. Copy this to test, test 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Your page will look something like this. Area is same, but the number of column got changed. We have 2-3 more classes we can use here, but that is not especially for image. One we have for image that is called IMG thumbnail. IMG thumbnail that you can use for image purpose. It will apply little border surrounding the image. Some border and little radius will apply. One more class we have called rounded, that we can apply not only for image, wherever we want to apply little radius, we can use this class called as a rounded class. And we have one more class called rounded circle. Rounded circle. It will make your image circle. Based on height and width, it will try to make it a circle. May 100% circle will not happen, but will look like something. Okay, hope ready. Check now. Here you can see little white color border is applied. Here without border, some kind of radius apply 3-4 pixel. And here 50% radius. Okay. Since width is more, so it's not like it's a circle. If the width and height will be equal, it will become as a circle. Okay. So these classes we have for image purpose. Thumbnail we have written, rounded circle. Some more classes are there. We can write in other class. We can make a note where we can mention as a other classes. Okay, so in developer guide, we can write here other classes. Other classes, in that you can write first class, that is called rounded hyphen circle. Rounded circle. Second class is called rounded. Rounded. Third one we have called shadow. Fourth one we have called shadow hyphen LG. Next we have called border. 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 Next we have called, okay, border bottom, border left, border right, border top, border danger, border primary, all are there. Okay. This all come under the utility classes of Bootstrap. Okay, so how many classes we have written till now? 72 was of yesterday, and after that, margin related 5, padding related 5. Okay, then MT related 5, MB related 5. Okay, how many? 15. And then padding related how many? 15. Okay, 30. After that, IMG fluid 31, thumbnail 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. This all we need to implement and hope we reach till 100. Okay. ये P means padding, M for margin, T for top. Yesterday all classes are remember, right? Remember now? Okay. So in this Bootstrap, it is not necessary that all project will be under the Bootstrap only. Okay, some project will be using Bootstrap, some project will be using CSS. We have to write our own. Okay, you will have both the skills wherever you require. You can implement either Bootstrap or CSS. In React, we have something related to material design. Material design. Okay, that is ready-made everything. Okay, ready-made everything. We need to call a something. After that, it will create a button. We don't have to write the button. Okay, call something, it will create a button. Then we create the drop down, select open close. So call something, it will create a select box. That is called a what? Material design. Okay. So those we will be learning under the where? Under the React part. Material design are very good demand in the market. Okay, next we'll see on Monday. By then, Bootstrap you ignore, just work on some CSS part. Okay. Spend some time on CSS. Bootstrap is a ready-made material. We can, in 1 week, you will remember everything. Developer guide, everyone wrote.